I have a question for you today morning. Do you like looking at yourself? That's a very important thing that we neglect to do on a regular basis. There was a time when I thought this was not important. But today I know looking at myself with a lot of love, respect, and gratitude is where it all begins. My gratitude journey, my self development, or just basic appreciation of life. Why is it that life feels not beautiful? One simple reason, because we don't feel beautiful ourselves. We always judge ourselves and our own beauty with how the other person and the world around views us. Yes, I know of that famous saying, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Yes, that's one aspect of it. But I like to think beauty lies within. When you can look at yourself with love and appreciation, then your cup runneth over. You don't look for that love, appreciation, or compliments from another. Your bucket of self worth and self appreciation is complete. A simple tip to do it on a regular basis is when you get up in the morning, go to the mirror and smile at yourself. Yes, the biggest, brightest smile that you can give. Almost as though you are greeting a long lost, cherished friend. When you greet yourself so warmly and look at yourself in the eye, exactly as I'm looking at you, it makes our subconscious mind realize that I feel beautiful about myself. So, one gift that you need to give yourself on a daily basis is the gift of feeling beautiful. The fact that you have eyes that can see, hands which work, nose, lips, forehead, cheeks, that is enough to start appreciating. The list can go on and on and on. So find things to love and appreciate about yourself on a daily basis. When I was a child, I was often told by my friends, as adolescent girls sometimes like to make comments on each other. Oh, your nose is so fat, your lips are so thick. I used to feel very bad about it. You know what I started doing when I wanted to feel beautiful? I started putting very bright lipstick, and now what I hear is, God, you have gorgeous lips and your pout is just beautiful. How did that happen? Is it because of the others? Perhaps. But I think, and you know, that what really happened is I own my reality and I felt beautiful. With whatever resources I had, the shape of my lips, I decided to enhance it, accept it, and work around it. That's when my true nature and my true set of possibilities came out. So take a minute every day and look at yourself as though you are the most beautiful thing on the planet. And hey, you are. Beauty is not about looks, it's not about body structure, it's not even about your academic qualifications or work accolades. They all add up, but beauty begins when we look at ourselves lovingly. Do it for 40 days, and I would love to know how that worked for you. Have a great day. Bye bye.